All of you need to start journaling, real talk, because most of you have internal trauma, bad beliefs, anger, and self-esteem issues that you're not addressing. And let me be the first one to tell you, if you don't address these issues, eventually you're going to have this massive, explosive outburst of emotional pain and anger, and you'll direct it at people that are around you at the time. And this will continue to happen repeatedly until you address these issues. So journaling is extremely important. It's like self-therapy. But let me give you some benefits of journaling so I can prove my case to you. Number 1, it helps you process and understand your emotions. Writing about your thoughts and feelings can help you to understand and make sense of them. It also provides you a safe outlet for expressing emotions that you might be hesitant to share with other people. This alone is a massive benefit, but it gets better. Number 2, journaling provides insight and self-awareness. Now, reflecting on your experiences and your thoughts through journaling can help you gain an insight to your own thought process, your feelings, and your behaviors. It can help you identify patterns and make connections that you may have not noticed before. In other words, it can help you get to know your mind, your body, your emotions, and your psychology. Next tip, it can increase self-esteem and self-confidence. Writing about your accomplishments, even the little small ones, can help you appreciate and value your own abilities. Let's be honest, no one's doing this. In fact, everyone speaks negative about themselves. Take the opposite approach and you'll get a better outcome. Benefit number 4, it can help with problem solving and decision making. Writing about your problems or challenges that you're facing in your life can help you clarify your thoughts and feelings and organize them in a way where you can tackle that problem directly and strategically. In other words, it can help you identify potential solutions. It also helps massively with developing your critical thinking skills. Benefit number 5, journaling aids in stress management. Now, everyone out there is stressed, probably like 99% of the population, and journaling can help reduce that stress massively. There's been countless times where I felt a bit stressed, a bit anxious. I've just done some journaling and I've been like, oh, I suddenly feel a lot better. I've got that stuff out of my system. I'm not clogging it up or holding it in, okay? You need some form of release from your anxiety and your trauma. Otherwise, as I say, it's going to eat you up on the inside. Benefit number 6, journaling improves your memory. Writing down your thoughts and your experiences can help solidify them in your memory. This is especially important if you're writing down solutions, because if you solidify them in your memory, next time an issue comes up, you can access the solution very quickly because you've internalized it. Benefit number 7, it provides a sense of accomplishment. Now, seeing your progress and growth over time in your journal can boost your self-esteem and give you the motivation to continue journaling and reaching new heights in your life. All of you need to start doing this. I promise you're going to see good results. There's literally zero downside, okay? But the important lesson to take away from this video is that if you don't get that inner trauma, that inner anxiety, or that stress out, it is going to eat you up inside, and you'll lash out at random points throughout your life unintentionally. And who knows who can get caught in the crossfire when you do. Look at journaling as a form of therapy, self-therapy, it's personal, it's to you, but it's so good and so beneficial. All of you give it a try, let me know what you think, and make sure you subscribe because I got something crazy to show you next week. I'll speak to you guys in the next one. Take care, peace.